Hello friends, is your car suddenly misfiring, struggling to start, or showing erratic RPMs? If your scanner is giving you code P0370, you might be dealing with a serious issue in your timing reference high-resolution signal A. Ignoring this code can lead to rough performance, poor fuel economy, and even sudden engine failure. In this video, we'll explain what P0370 means, its symptoms, exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0370 stands for Timing Reference High-Resolution Signal, A Malfunction. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is detecting an inconsistent or faulty signal from the timing reference sensor. This sensor helps track engine speed and crankshaft position for proper ignition timing and fuel delivery. If this signal is interrupted or weak, your engine won't perform as expected and might even fail to start. Common symptoms of P0370. Media group. Car engine failing to start, vehicle not starting, mechanic examining car engine, aux stock, key distribute equally. Check engine light, CEL, on, engine misfires and rough idling, difficulty starting or no start at all, unstable RPMs and poor acceleration, decreased fuel efficiency, engine stalling while driving. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's time to check the sensor. The timing reference sensor is usually located near the crankshaft or camshaft, since it helps the PCM determine engine timing. Key locations to check crankshaft position sensor, CKP, typically found near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. Camshaft position sensor, CMP, mounted on the engine cylinder head near the timing cover. Wiring and connectors, check for frayed, loose or corroded wiring leading to the sensor. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. A faulty PCM might misinterpret the timing signal and trigger P0370. Sensor placement varies by vehicle model, so you should check your service manual for exact details. Faulty crankshaft position sensor. If the sensor is worn out or malfunctioning, it won't send a proper signal. Damaged camshaft position sensor. Since both sensors work together, a failing CMP sensor can trigger P0370. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or broken wires can lead to a weak or intermittent signal. Failing alternator or battery low voltage can cause electrical signal issues and trigger this error, PCM malfunction. In rare cases, the engine control module itself could be faulty, timing chain or belt issues. If misaligned, the engine's timing can be thrown off, leading to P0370. Now let's move on to the steps to fix this code. Step 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and check for additional errors. Step 2. Inspect the crankshaft and camshaft position sensor wiring and connectors, repair any damaged or corroded connections. Step 3. Test the CKP and CMP sensors with a multimeter replace if necessary. Step 4. Check the alternator and battery voltage to rule out electrical issues. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt for misalignment or wear. Step 6. If everything else checks out, consider testing or reprogramming the PCM. After making repairs, clear the code using an OBD2 scanner and take the car for a test drive to verify the fix. P0370 can lead to serious performance problems if ignored. Fixing it early will ensure smooth engine operation and better fuel efficiency. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0038, HO2, S heater control circuit high, bank 1 sensor 2, P0039, turbocharger bypass valve control circuit range performance. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.